Greetings of the day, dear students. Today in the topic integers, we are going to learn properties of division of integers. There are four properties in this. First is closure property, second is commutative property, third is division by 0 and 1, and the fourth is associative property. Let us understand these properties one by one. First is closure property. According to this property, if a and b are any two integers and we divide a by b, then the answer C may or may not be an integer. Let's understand this with the help of an example. If we divide plus 12 by plus 3, we get the answer plus 4. And we know that plus 4 is an integer. But if we divide plus 5 by plus 3, then we get the answer 1.6666 and so on, which is not an integer. Second property is commutative property. According to this property, if a and b are any two integers, then a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. Now assume that the value of a is 4 and the value of b is 2. When we divide 4 by 2, we get the answer 2. But when we divide 2 by 4, then we get the answer 1 by 2. That means the value in both the conditions are different. So we can say that commutative property is not applicable for divisions. Next property is division by 0 and 1. It says that for any integer which is not 0, 0 divided by a is equal to 0, but a divided by 0 is not defined, and a divided by 1 is a itself. Let's understand this with the help of an example again. If we divide 0 by 12, we get the answer 0. If we divide 0 by minus 15, then also the answer is 0. But if we divide 15 by 0, then the answer is not defined because we are dividing it by 0. Similarly, if we divide any negative integer by 0, that is minus 18 is divided by 0, then also the answer is not defined. And if we divide plus 3 by 1, then the answer is plus 3. I hope you have understood this. Next property is associative property. It says that if a and b are any two integers, then a divided by in brackets b divided by c is not equal to in brackets a divided by b outside the brackets divided by c. For example, let us take the value of a as 8, the value of b is 4 and the value of c is 2. Then if we divide 4 by 2, we get the answer 2, and if we divide 8 by 2, we get the answer 4. On the other side, if we divide 8 by 4, we get the answer 2. And if we divide this 2 by 2, we get the answer 1. That means on both sides of the equal to's, when we put the values of a, b and c, then the values are not same. The answer is not same. So that means associative property is not applicable for division. I hope you have understood these properties of division. Thank you very much, students.